Hey, what's going on, guys? It's John Quattro. I got a quick video unboxing the Beacn mic, the Beacn Mix, and the Beacn Mix Create. Enjoy. All right, so first up, we've got the Beacn mic. First thing I want to say is that a lot of thought and care went into this packaging. It's really high quality cardboard, and you kind of notice that, especially like taking it off right here and opening up. There's a lot of small design choices that the Beacn team made that I'm a huge fan of. All right, also, I've already used the microphone, so it's not like a true unboxing because some of the cables are out. So there's another layer on top of this when you open it up that just has a whole bunch of USB cables. That's a headphone adapter that allows you to basically use your headphones and not have to plug directly into the back. Here's the instructions on how to set it up. Super easy. Shows you the mic, shows you the cables. It's a USB-C. And the mic itself is, man, it is heavy. It's nice, not in a bad way. It's nice. It's sturdy. It looks like an SM7B. Feels like an SM7B. Also kind of sounds like an SM7B. But yeah, this will fit pretty much any boom arm that you have. It does have the built-in little shock protector or shock absorber there. But yeah, the Beacn mic, great unboxing experience. Here is the Beacn Mix Create. I got the white variant of it. And what you can see here is opening it up. There's a USB cable on the top typically, but what I love about this design is that they've put the instructions just on the inside of the box, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and not a whole bunch of clutter and unnecessary plastics. The screen's brilliant. Hey, you can see me and my double chin right in it. On the back, there's just a single USB-C, and that cord that comes with it is USB-C to USB-A. There, nice little peel for you. I enjoyed doing that. I was like, well, that's a nice peel. Let's put that back in the box. All right, the Beacn Mix, just this one, the little guy right here. This is the one I think everybody should buy. Literally, everybody could buy this. It's a great little tool. Same thing, you open it up. Now you can see that this one still has the USB cable attached. You can see the instructions for, hey, this is how to plug it in, and here's where you go to get the software. I think I just do one more little, just showing you around the sides. It's lightweight, it's nice, single USB port in the back, very crisp and clean. Nice little peel here. I think I got excited about that one too. I got a full review coming out for you real soon. The 31st, I'll be able to talk a lot more about these, go into like the use for them, what I've learned. But yeah, hope you look forward to it. Have a great time. Like the video and subscribe.